Hey guys, today we are going to learn about block printing. We are going to be using styrofoam, a piece of cardboard, a ballpoint pen, a little bit of glue, and a marker to make our printing block today. Today, we are going to be coming up with images that are easy to repeat and full of simple shapes. So the first thing you need to do is decide which image you're going to do. I think I am going to make a camera image for mine. So you just need a piece of styrofoam. This could be the bottom of a styrofoam plate. It could be part of a takeout container. Anything that has a flat edge to it. We don't want anything that has like a print on it, okay? Just a flat piece of styrofoam. With a water-soluble marker, like a Crayola marker or anything that is a washable marker, you are going to gently, very gently, draw out your design onto your styrofoam. If you do not like how part of your design looks, you can get a wet paper towel and just kind of rub it right off. Okay. Oops, that had glue on it. Flip it over. Do it again. So, you are going to draw your design. Oops, I don't like that line. Draw your design lightly. As you're drawing, make sure you're not carving or pushing too hard with your marker. That way we know it's not going to be pushing into our styrofoam. You can add little details around. Okay, once you have a design that you like, you're going to put your marker away. Don't need that anymore. And with a ballpoint pen, any sort of regular pen that you write with, you are going to trace over your marker. The color of your marker doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. We're going to cover all of this with paint or ink. So it was just to get our design on our styrofoam. So now you are going to go all the way around. You're going to push lightly at first and then go back and forth over it onto your styrofoam. You should be able to feel that there's a divot where your line is drawn, okay? So you are going to work your way around your design, tracing all of your lines you drew with marker. Go slow. You see that I'm not like pushing really hard. I'm going back and forth over the same line to make sure I get a good carving and so I don't tear my styrofoam. You don't want to tear your styrofoam. Okay, so as you finish this up, you want to make sure that you're not going to crease your printing plate. Don't bend it, don't fold it. Because any marks you make in it are going to be printed when we put ink on it. Okay, once you have your basic shape cut out, you are going to use a pair of scissors and you are going to cut out your edges. If you have pieces of your design that are kind of free floating like my flash, I'm going to cut out a shape that can go around it so I don't have to cut individual pieces. So as I'm cutting, I'm going to cut right along the carving line. Okay, so this extra piece is scrap. We don't need that anymore. The next step, you need a piece of cardboard that is a little bit bigger than your shape. I'm going to line mine up on the side so I don't have to cut quite so much. And with a pen, I'm going to somewhat trace it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just an idea. We're going to make this backer part for our printing block so we don't get our fingers so painty or inky. So just cut this out. Please be careful when you're cutting cardboard. It can be kind of dangerous. Again, extra cardboard is scrap. Now, with a little bit of glue, you are going to put some glue. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. Put some glue onto the back of your printing plate. We want this to be pretty well attached so it doesn't peel off when we are printing. So go make sure you get your edges, and then some on the inside. Okay. Then you're going to flip it over and gently add it to your cardboard. Press it down, make sure you're not putting like any fingernail marks in it. Just press it down so it can glue to your cardboard, and then you're going to leave this so it is just good to go when we are ready to print.